So we're out here in Fox Island, Gig Harbor today in the great state of Washington. Look at this amazing house, man. It is here on the cove on the Puget Sound. Got their own private little cove back there. This is a 5-bathroom, I couldn't even tell you how many bedroom house on 3 acres. It's pretty cool. Come check out what we just got done doing here. So because there's so many bathrooms in this house, the demand of hot water with guests and everybody here, everybody using everything all the time is a lot. They need a lot of hot water to make sure that living in a place like this, you get the full function of your plumbing system, right? And so what we've got here is a heat flow storage tank paired with a Navien tankless water heater. What this does is we can create instantaneous hot water. You'll never ever run out. But with all the volume of demand and these giant pipes coming out of the top of it, it needs a lot of demand that a normal tankless can't quite keep up with. So what we've done is we've created an internal loop system here where the tankless actually recirculates, fills the tank up with hot water to give us the demand that we need to run all these really cool jacuzzi tubs and all the stuff that he's got inside of here. So during this project, we were able to reroute all the water heating stuff from this wall to give them more space in that corner next to the door for storage, shoes, whatever's, over here into this area where we already had the HVAC, the refrigerator, and all the stuff going on here. So we also went ahead and put in a whole house water filtration system to make sure that you can just stand in the shower and drink water. Who doesn't want to do that, right? I want to do that. And so when we're all said and done here, this took a couple days to get installed, but it was pretty amazing. And the power supply that this thing has is minimal. However, this house has so much power going on that we found when we needed to add an outlet over here, we actually had to come and take care of this electrical panel that was a little undersized for the size of the house too. And I got Nate here, our electrician, that is our master electrician. He's been doing this stuff for 10, 15 years, and they got this bad thing he put in here. Tell us about it, Nate.
So this is the cutting edge in panels. It's called the Leviton Load Center. Leviton has been making outlets and switches for many, many years. They just broke into the panel market a couple of years ago. They're here to stay. And this panel is cutting edge. It has Wi-Fi capabilities. You can monitor your circuits on your phone and how much each circuit is costing you to run. They also come with fire preventing arc fault breakers that prevent 98% of electrical fires, in addition to whole house surge protection. So all those little surges that you see in your system, that thing dumps them to ground and makes all the things last longer in your home, like that Navien water heater.
So did I just hear you say that you could connect this thing to Wi-Fi?
Yep.
And so tell me a little about that. That's new.
So there's Leviton's released an app that is on your phone. There's a Wi-Fi hub that the breakers talk to that then communicates with the Wi-Fi, and it will allow you to monitor each circuit. It'll tell you on your phone how much that circuit is costing you to run every month, how many amps it's drawing, what the voltage is, and you can even turn it off from your phone.
So if my kids
from anywhere in the world.
That's super cool. So if my kid's like upstairs lights on 24/7, I'm gonna know that he's not shutting his lights off. I wish I had a better example than that, but that's what I got.
In addition, it's just a great looking load center.
That's awesome. I'm really glad we got the opportunity to take care of this home here on Fox Island. It's not every day we get to do something cool like this in a house like this. So if you ever need plumbing and electrical, you know who to call. Harts Services. We're out of Tacoma. We service everywhere for you to take care of you because we care more.